Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Z85 Max smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore more about the Z85 Max smartwatch, specifically the features, the menus and features of the Z85 Max smartwatch. On this video, we are going to check out the options, the functions available for the Z85 Max. So if you have any questions regarding the Z85 Max, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features for the sporty smartwatch, the Z85 Max smartwatch. As you can see here, we do have a premium looking smartwatch, beautiful design smartwatch. We have here the power button and the menu button also. It is rotary. You can use this to change the watch face of the wearable. This one is the return button, and on the side we do have a dedicated sports button. Okay, so let's explore the menus and features of the smartwatch. On top we have the recent, the recent activity. On the bottom part we have the functions here, the options, the settings for your wearable. On the left side we have a grid type menu here. On the right side we have the different cards or widgets. Okay, you can add your own and you can remove some widgets here. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button here. We have the message notifications. We have here the Bluetooth call with support for SOS, dial pad, call logs, and contacts. We also have here an option for the call setup. We have the exercise here or sports functions. We will check on that later on. We have sleep monitoring, music control. We have a heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen monitoring. So this one, we have the QR code, I think. For the support app, RD Fit. We have a weather report, breathing guide, motion tracking. I guess this is the connected GPS. We have calendar, find phone, QR code. We have calculator, timer, stopwatch, camera control. We have support for voice, command, Siri here. We have an alarm. We have a game, car race. We have female health monitoring, female physiological monitoring. We have altitude, QQ for the support app. We have WeChat, Facebook, X, WhatsApp. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a game. I will check on this later on. We have prayer for, I guess this is for the Muslim brothers. Kibia compass settings. So you have an option here to switch from grid view to list view. For the settings here, so we'll check on the settings. We have the dynamic menu or maybe dynamic island. I think this is dynamic island. So this one, constant for the screen display, screen off, time. We have gesture, you can also activate it. We have brightness option here, vibration, do not disturb mode, key definition. We have security with a password support for our smartwatch, Bluetooth connectivity for the QR code, power saving, language support, time settings, Okay, you can already set the time here. Set from 24-hour to 12-hour format time. You can also do it here. We have power off, and we have the about section here. As you can see, we do have the Z85 Max model. Regarding the sports functions, just press this power or this round button here. For the watch face, let's check. So these are the list of preloaded watch faces. As you can see here, if you notice it on the screen display, it is almost borderless, edge to edge screen. Okay, and very beautiful screen display here so far. Okay, I like the graphics here as well as the brightness. For the sports button, just press this one. So we have running, walking, football, badminton. I think it is more than 100 sports functions here. Okay, loaded to the smartwatch. So we have a lot of sports functions available for our wearable, as you can see here. So there's a lot of sports, although it's not categorized. This is the only thing here. It will be hard for you to check on the sports functions, especially if the sports is on the bottom part, as there is no category. Okay, check out the sports. Let's check walking. So let's see. So it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, steps, and distance. So press, check. Okay, again. So here are the list of menus and features. You also have here a calculator. We have the QR code here, stopwatch, Siri, and supported social apps, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for the features of our Z85 Max smartwatch, one of the latest smartwatch in the market. And as you can see here, it has a beautiful, unique, sporty outdoor style design with a metal body frame. So if you are interested to buy this one, drop a comment below, ask some questions about this smartwatch. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.